Okay, find the HCF of LCM of say 120 comma 90. One is 120, another one is, we will have to find the highest common factor of these two numbers and least common multiple of this by factorization method. So we will have to find the factors of this 120. So there are 2 or 3 methods to find out factors of this. So we have 0. 0 means it is divisible by 2. 2 into 6, 0. Write 2 as it is. Again you have 0. 2 into 30. Take this 2 and 2 into, again 2 into 15. So this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So this can be written as 1, 2, 3, 2 to the power 3, 3 into 5 are the factors of 120. 120. So you can find the factors in another method also. 120. So 2 60s, 2 30s, 2 15s, so 3 5s. You can find the factors by this method or this method. Both the procedures are same almost. Now take 90. So if you take 92 into 45, 2 into 5 into 9, 2 into 5 into 3 into 3. So this can be written as 2 into 5 into 3 square. 3 square. Now compare these two. Compare these two. So here 2 to the power of 1, 5 to the power of 1, 3 to the power of 1, 5 to the power of 1. So 2 cube, we have 2 cube in 120, but we don't have 2 cube in 90. So we have only 2 to the power of 1. 2 to the power of 1 is the highest common factor between these two. So that is 2 to the power of 1 into, so 5 to the power of 1 into 5 to the power of 1. Here we have 3 to the power of 1 and 3 to the power 2. So we don't have 3 to the power 2. So 3 to the power 1 is common in these both two. So 3 to the power of 1. So this is nothing but, so 2 into 5 into 3. So 2 5s are 10, 3s are 30. So the HCF of 120 and 90 is 30. 30 is the HCF. This is the way of calculating the HCF of two numbers by factorization method. So let us see this one. Which one? LCM. LCM we will take the highest power. Factors are same. Factors of same, but we take highest powers. So LCM. What is the highest power in 2? 2 cube into. What is the highest power in 3 1 and 3 2? 3 2. 3 to the power 2. Highest power in 5? 5 to the power of 1. So this is 8 into 9 into 5. 2 cube means 8, 3 square means 9, 5 to the power of 1. So this is nothing but multiply it. 72 into 5. 72 into 5. So 5 2s are 10, 35, 36. So 360 is the LCM. So into LCM is equal to first number into second number. Let us verify whether our answer is correct or wrong. What is the HCF? HCF was 30 into LCM is 360 is equal to first number is 120 and second number is 90. So let us multiply. So 36 into 3, this is 108. So 2 zeros is equal to 12 nines are 108. 2 zeros. So our problem is correct. So HCF and LCM, the product of this is equal to product of the given numbers. There is one more problem in the same exercise. Let us see this. That is 37 and 49. What are the factors of 37? So I think it is a prime number. Let us see. It won't be divisible by 2. 7 plus 3, it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 4. It is not divisible by 5. It is not divisible by 2 and 3, so it is not divisible by 6. It is not divisible by 7. 7 5s are 35. No. It is not divisible by 8. It is not divisible by 3. Since it is not divisible by 3, it is not divisible by 9 also. So 10, 11. So it's a prime number. So 37 is a prime number. 37 is a prime number. Is a prime number. So for 49 we have factors. 7 into 7. So this is 7 square. 7 square. So if you take HCF of 37 comma 49, you don't find any HCF, no common. So is 1. HCF of these two numbers is 1. But when we take LCM is product of the highest powers. Here we have 37. We should take 37 into 7 square. So multiply this, you will be getting LCM. So HCF is only 1. So let us go to another problem in the exercise number 1.2. So express each of the following numbers as a product of its prime factors, which you can do it very easily. Find LCM and HCF of the following integers by the prime factorization method. This also we have done. You can do it, but there are 3 numbers. So 17, 23 and 29. So how do you find HCF? It is a prime number. It is also a prime number. It is also a prime number. So the prime numbers do not have factors. So we can easily say HCF of, or else you can write down 17 is a prime number. 23 is a prime number. And 29 is a prime number. So HCF of 17, 23, 29 is 1. They do not have any common factors other than 1. So if you want to find out the LCM, so 17 power 1, 23 power 1, 29 power 1. So it is nothing but 17 into 13 into 29. If you multiply, you will be getting LCM. So in the same chapter, you have homework problems in exercise number 1.2, problem number 1, problem number 2. Please do those problems as homework. Thank you.